So students, when setting out our treads on our stringer, it's usual to set the tread back from the edge of the stringer. This distance is called the margin. There is also usually a margin between the bottom of the stringer and the treads. This amount for the margin can be just a nominal amount, but if we're after a particularly good set out that has a good appearance, particularly from underneath, it can be an advantage to make the margin on the upper edge the same as the margin on the bottom edge. So we need to work out the maths to find the correct margin to make both equal. To do this, we're going to find this distance. That orange distance I'm going to call distance x. Now distance x is in a right angle triangle. There's my right angle. Let's look at the other side of the triangle, coming down here, the hypotenuse of the triangle. That blue distance is the rise of a step, and we previously calculated that to be 180 mil. That green distance is the thickness of the tread, and this has been given to us as 45 mil. So we can calculate this side of the triangle, its rise of step plus the tread. (180 plus 45) is 225. Now, we need the angle in the corner, this angle. It can be proved with geometry that this bigger triangle here and this smaller triangle there are similar triangles. So if we think about the bigger triangle going across the going of step and up the rise of step, we already know that angle alpha. We calculated that previously as the pitch of the stairs, 31.827 degrees. So that means this is also angle alpha because they are similar triangles. So now we've got enough information to calculate distance x. So let's look at this triangle with x, angle alpha, and this amount, 225, on those sides. X is adjacent to angle alpha, 225 is the hypotenuse, so I can say x over 225 is equal to cos alpha. To get x by itself, I multiply both sides of the equation by 225. That's cos 31.827 multiplied by 225. This gives me an answer 191.2. Okay, so now we can calculate these two margins. We know distance x, we know the stringer width is 290, and we've got two margins. So 2 times the margin equals the stringer width minus x equals 290 minus 191.2 gives me an answer of 98.8. So my margin (98.8) divided by 2. Put that through the calculator. I get a margin of 49.4 mil. When I'm setting that out on the stringer, I round that to 49 mil.